Yeah, the cheesecake came. They delivered it to the wrong address again.
So just bring it back downstairs. What's the problem?
I can't seem to say goodbye.
Are you serious? Chandler, we ate an entire cheesecake 2 days ago, and you want more?
Well, I've forgotten what it tastes like, okay?
It was cheesecake. It was fine. It had a buttery, crumbly graham cracker crust with a very rich, yet light cream cheese filling. Wow, my whole mouth just filled with saliva.
You know what? Forget it. We are just hungry. We have not had lunch. We are just lightheaded. So let us go out and have lunch and forget about the cheesecake.
Yeah, we'll drop it off downstairs so that we're not tempted.
Good idea. Where do you want to go to lunch?
Mama's Little Bakery, Chicago, Illinois.
Oh, Mel Torme died.
Joey, that paper's like a year old.
Oh, does that mean the Sam Goody sale is over?
Hey,
Hey.
Hey,
so I finally heard back from Aunt Cheryl, and apparently it wasn't a mistake. There's limited seating in the hall.
limited seating? I am just one tiny person.
Well, yeah, but she doesn't know that. I mean, the last time she saw you would have turned one of those little wedding chairs into kindling.
Limited seating? Oh, that is such a lame excuse. It's not the reason why she's not inviting me.
What's the big deal? I wasn't even invited to the ceremony, just the reception. And you know what? If it makes you feel any better, Joan and I will just make an appearance, and then we'll leave early as a sign of protest.
Joan?
Yeah, Joan Tedeschi, my date. She's an assistant professor in the linguistics department, tall, very beautiful, and despite what some people say, not broad-backed.
Wait a minute, you got Ross Geller and guest? I wasn't invited and you got and guest?
Excuse me, I do have to interrupt on Ross's behalf. I think the rule applies here. You know, since he has a chance to get on broadband.
Not broad-backed!
Wait a minute, you're bringing me.
Well, I can't cancel on Joan.
Why not?
Because, did you not hear me? She's an assistant professor in the linguistics department, okay? They're wild. Well, why do you want to come anyway?
Because she's my cousin. I mean, we grew up together. Family, and I don't know, that's important to me.
Okay, all right, I'll take you. I'll go call Joan.
That's nice. Family should be there. Huh? This is her wedding. Happiest day of her life.
We'll see.
Well, thank you for lunch.
What? Wait a minute, I didn't pay. I thought you paid.
So apparently we just don't pay for food anymore. Do you see what I see?
It's still there.
Mrs. Braverman must be out.
She could be out of town. Maybe she'll be gone for months.
By then, the cheesecake may have gone bad. We don't want her to come back to bad cheesecake.
No, that could kill her.
Well, we don't want that.
No, so we're protecting her.
Well, we should take it.